Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the neckline so it won't stretch while sewing. Interface sections where the curve meets seams, this prevents wavy edges. Once you transfer pattern marks and notches to both layers, stay stitch 1/4 inch from the raw edge to control easing. Make sure to clip evenly at marked points. Small clips or notches let the curve lie flat without changing the shape. You'll see why. Controlled fabric prevents puckers when you attach facing. You now join facing or bias binding to the neckline edge. Align right sides and pin at notches, then sew with an even 1/2 seam allowance so curves match. Once done, clip the seam allowance on the concave curve and notch the convex curve to reduce bulk, and if the fabric is thick, grade the seam layers for a cleaner turn. Make sure to understitch the facing close, about 1/8 inch from the seam, so the facing stays inside and the neckline sits flat. You finish by turning the facing or bias to the inside and pressing the seam flat. Press the allowance toward the facing to reduce bulk, and then edge stitch if you want a crisp finish. Once done, check the neckline on a dress form or yourself for evenness and comfort, and make sure to try on before final hemming. If you see puckers or gaping, unpick the seam to the problem area, then re-ease the fullness or trim graded layers and resew slowly to correct fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.